How to remove someone from best friend list without removing from friends on Snapchat. So if you want to remove someone from your best friend list without removing from friends on Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. So once you open your Snapchat, now you can simply go for your best friend. So for example, if you take a snap and then if you tap on send, then here on the top you will have all of your best friends, right? So if you want to remove someone from your best friend without removing them as a friend, then what you need to do is you need to simply stop sending them snaps. So that's the way you can remove them from their best friend list or from your best friend list without removing them from the friends. Or you can simply go to the chats and then you can choose the person that you would like to remove as a best friend. So for example, I have this person as a best friend. You need to simply tap and hold on to that chat and this kind of icon or interface pops out. Here you may simply go for manage friendship and tap on remove friend. And once you've removed, you need to again go for the search icon and then search for that person and send the friend request again. So once you've sent the friend request again or once you've added them again, then they won't be your best friend. So that's one way. And the other way is you can simply go for the profile, which is on the upper left, and then go for the settings, which is on the upper right, and scroll down. And here you may have an option of I need help under the support. Tap on I need help, and if you scroll down, you may have an option of friends. But if you don't have that, you need to search for friends, and here you may have a bunch of options, right? So you need to simply go for any search that you're comfortable with. So you need to go for how to search for friends on Snapchat. You can simply choose any option. Once you choose, here you will have fill out this form option, right? So if you have this form option, tap on this form, and once you tap on the form, it will generate you the form. So here you need to enter the username, the email address, and the mobile number. And under the description, you need to write that I want to remove this person or someone's username. You need to enter that person's username, and you need to write that I want to remove this person from my best friend list. So I don't want to remove him as my friend, but I want to remove him from my best friend list. So please help me with that. And once you've entered all of the information, you need to tap on submit, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you've submitted, your problem will be fixed. So these were the ways to remove someone as your best friend without removing them as your friend on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.